Hey, what is going on, you guys? My name is John Shea. Welcome to the No Shame Income channel here on YouTube. If you are brand new to the channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you actually go and leave me a comment on the video, I will come back and leave you a comment in return. So what we're going to be talking about today is my top 5 ways to go out there and actually make your very first dollar online. So let's jump over to my desktop and I'm going to show you 5 different methods that I've used at some point in the last 5 years to go ahead and start making money online. These are some of the easiest ways that I would say to get started, and I know for a lot of you, making that very first dollar on the internet is going to inspire you to go out and actually do more. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're over on my desktop and I want to walk you guys through the 5 ways that we can actually go out there and make your very first dollar. Now, there's many other ways that you can go out and do this, but I wanted to give you 5 of my sort of favorite ones or just really easy ones to get started with. So the very first one that we're going to be talking about is a platform called Skillshare. This is actually an online community of people that teach online programs and courses. So if you have any sort of skill that you could teach someone else, you can actually go and become a teacher for free on Skillshare, create a class and publish it on the Skillshare platform. Every time someone watches your class, it will accumulate in minutes, and the minutes watched of your programs will actually accumulate into payments that you'll make each and every month. So they've pretty much got classes for all kinds of different things. Let me see if we can find some examples here. If you go up to browse, you can actually see they have creative classes, business classes, technology, and lifestyle. So there's just about any topic you can imagine. If you're really good at entrepreneurship topics, or maybe you can do things with graphic design, maybe you know how to do stuff with like culinary and cooking, there's literally unlimited options to go and teach a class on here. And I want to actually prove to you guys that this is something that really works. I'm going to show some income proof. So let me actually jump over here. This is my dashboard, and I started with Skillshare back in 2015, and I've since earned over $20,000 on the platform. I have almost 30,000 students, and I've had over 300,000 minutes watched across all of my classes. So each and every month I get minutes watched, and that accumulates, and based on those minutes watched, they'll pay out a certain percentage based on the members that are paying every month for the platform. So for example, some months I'll make anywhere from as high as like say $500 or $600 to maybe even like $100, depending on how many minutes get watched that month. You can also earn money from referring other people to the platform and make money each and every time you refer someone and they sign up for a membership. To give you an example of how easy this is and how simple it is to go out there and actually do this, I had my wife and I go and create a course about how to make an apple crisp. This is probably one of the simplest things you could possibly do. We took my cell phone and we just made some really basic videos. You can see here almost every video is under 2 minutes long, and in some cases literally just seconds long, where we basically said, you know, hey, here's a 30-second video. I'm gonna go ahead and just show the screenshot here. I'm not gonna play it, but we just put like all the ingredients on a table and said, here are all the ingredients we're using, and we just listed them off. And we just showed every single step of everything that you do, even preheating the oven, like the most common sense stuff. We wanted to make it so a dummy could figure out how to do this. And this class has 13 reviews, and she got over 150 students enrolled. And I believe this class has made her over a couple $100. So there's a huge potential here to do this with even the most basic topics that you could think of, like cooking an apple crisp. So that's Skillshare. The next platform I want to talk about is something called Fiverr, and many of you may have heard of this. It's basically a marketplace that originally started out where you could offer services or buy services for just $5. If you've never heard of this platform, it's really simple. You can pretty much come up with things that you want people to hire you for just $5. So some examples might be, this person will create a professional thumbnail on YouTube, this person will format a Kindle book, and here's some other gigs like, you know, design a YouTube banner, logo design, people will write content for you for ebooks. Pretty much the sky's the limit. Anything you're willing to do, you could charge for. And the beauty of this website is you can actually charge a lot more money for your services depending on what it is. Like here's someone that will write a song for you for $125. And there's countless opportunities here to go out and offer your services. As you grow through the platform, you'll increase in rank, and you can offer more gigs, more services, and upsell into bigger and bigger opportunities. There's actually a lot of people that have turned this into a full-time career because of the skills that they offer here. To give you some background on what I've done with Fiverr, I've earned just about $4,000. I haven't been as active as of recently, but this platform is great because you can build relationships with a lot of people, get recurring orders, and a lot of the stuff that I was doing was very simple, like interviewing people on my blog, or showing people how to be successful with Pinterest, showing people, giving them access to an online course that I created through, say through Skillshare. I would then say, hey, I'll give you an online course and offer that on Fiverr as another way to bring in some extra income. So this is definitely one of my favorite ways to earn that very first dollar online. One of the next ways that I've had some success is using what's called the Amazon Associates program. You can actually refer people to buy products through Amazon, and as you know, many people shop on Amazon. It's literally one of the largest marketplaces in the world, and you can go on Amazon, sign up for the Amazon Associates program, aka their Amazon affiliate program, and every time that you want to promote a product, you can actually grab a specialized link and refer people to buy that. So some ways to look at this would be maybe creating a YouTube video where you're reviewing a product. Maybe you bought something on Amazon, you go make a YouTube video about it, talk about it, what's good, what's bad, and you put your Amazon affiliate link in your YouTube video. Anytime someone buys through that link, you will earn a commission, and the commissions can add up over time. And generally you can build websites around this. You could build review type blog posts or review channels, maybe through YouTube, whatever it is you want to do. There's really endless opportunities here, and obviously you can find some pretty small little niches, like say for example you wanted to go out and build a website about hot tubs. Let's just say every time someone goes and buys a hot tub through your website, you would actually earn a commission from that sale. So I've actually had some okay success with this platform. To give you an idea here, I'm actually looking at my monthly report here just for the month of August, and from the 1st to the 9th, I've made $107 from referring people through my Amazon products. Here are some cases where people bought some cat toys and other cat products, because I have a website where I have all kinds of different cat products and reviews on products, different things that I'm recommending, and people go and find those articles through Google. They end up reading my blog and then buying those products based on my recommendation. So each and every month the money adds up over and over, and it pretty much brings in a passive residual income. So it's a really awesome way to really go out there and earn your first dollar. The next method that I want to talk about is actually going to a website called Upwork, where you can sign up as a freelancer. And Upwork is great because just about anybody can join. If you have some kind of skill that you can offer to the marketplace, you can go out there and create a freelance profile and build sort of a resume around your skills and start getting hired for different jobs. So it's 100% free to sign up, but all of the work and everything that you get hired for is done through the Upwork platform. I'll show an example here of my profile. I've been on the platform for quite some time, but I actually only took it more seriously as of really the last probably couple of years. I don't use this as my full-time income, but it definitely supplements a lot of the income that I bring in each and every month. As an example here, I've earned over $20,000 on this platform, and I specifically spend most of my time helping people with like marketing strategy and helping their businesses rank on Google, building sales funnels, things like that. And I'll generally charge either a fixed rate to do something per month or based on the specific project that I'm getting hired for. So as an example here, this is one of my clients that has been paying me every month over the last probably about 7 or 8 months, and I've earned $9,000 just from that single client. So the sky's the limit here. You could bring on a whole bunch of different clients in just about any kind of vertical. There is a huge opportunity here to find work. You can see here, I pulled up the job feed, and you can see jobs are literally being posted every single hour. This was 20 minutes ago, 22 minutes ago, 38 minutes ago, and these are all people that are generally looking for the type of work that I offer, which is mostly digital marketing, social media, sales funnels, Facebook ads, things like that. So depending on the topics that you're looking to go out there and expand on, this is really going to be up to you and how you decide to approach it. But if you have some skills that you can offer to the marketplace, I highly suggest going and building a freelance profile on Upwork. So the last one that I want to talk about, and this is actually not one that I've done myself, this is probably I would say definitely one of the easiest of all of them, is something called the Amazon Mechanical Turk. And this is basically an opportunity where you can sign up for free and you can find all different kinds of work from people seeking out help, similar to almost like Fiverr, but there's jobs that are being posted and you can come in and say, hey, I need to go through and I'll help you do all kinds of different things with, like, you know, for example, like doing image or video processing. They have, you know, data verification jobs, gathering information, doing data processing, generally a lot more stuff that's going to be a lot easier and just more time consuming. Something like maybe editing or transcribing audio, answering questions, filling out market research or survey data, writing content for websites, all kinds of things that you could be doing to kind of get the ball moving, but ultimately not going to be probably the most exciting work, but definitely one of the easiest ways to make your first dollar online. So that's what I have for you. There are definitely lots of other ways to make money online, but I wanted to show you these 5 ways so you guys can go out and get started right away. If you have any questions for me, don't forget to leave a comment. And again, thanks for checking out my channel. Be sure to subscribe if you want to check out more future content from me as I release new videos each and every single week.